How to fix attachment unavailable option error on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Bisnet, and today I'll simply guide you on how you can fix the attachment unavailable on Facebook Messenger. Now, this error might occur due to certain reasons. Now, if you share the link through the Facebook Lite, this option may appear, so you can ask them to open it on Facebook Lite, or you can simply save it directly from Facebook application. The other is if you shared it from a particular group that is private. Now, if you are on a particular group and you share a post of it to someone who is not in the group, then it might show them that the attachment is unavailable. So what you can do is you can ask them to join the particular group, or you can screenshot the post and share it with them. So this way you can fix attachment unavailable on Facebook Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.